every time. I'ma keep a handsaw by my side every time that I wanna die or I go insane in my mind. I need my handsaw, without it I am nothing. I also keep some hammers and some knives and some blades and some handsaws. Hey, I don't know why, but I really do need them. It's for self-defense, it's for my swag, it's for everything. Without it I am nothing. I always keep my handsaw by my side just in case that I wanna die and kill myself with the handsaws. I'ma saw my head off with a knife if I wanna die. Yeah, I'ma fly to cherry heaven when I die. I don't know what to say, I'm trying to freestyle. This is my 20th attempt. I am joking, it is my second attempt. Hey, I don't think it's going very well. Hey, it's actually going pretty well. I don't know, I think I'm tripping.